Yo, it is good to be back at Miavana. Woo! Awesome. Sunshine. Just trying to do some filming here. All these little guys are around about me. Trying to do my job. Hey. Tonight is in villa dining for one. Yo, vegetable pie. Here's the man who made it. Okay, so this afternoon is going to be a hell of a busy day. We're going to Man Pao, and then afterwards, fingers crossed, we're doing a heli shoot. Bit of pressure to get those shots right. It's not cheap. So let's go to the activity centre. Hi guys.
Hi.
Today has been one hell of a busy day. We have no guests in the villas and we're gonna go and do some diving footage. What time do you call this, man? Fuck.
I don't know what the fuck happened, but I woke up at like 6:30.
Yeah. Cloud is angry. Here's those special movies you asked for. This is sunset potential. It's a recipe for an absolute belter. This could be a very interesting photo shoot today. I'm going to be in the water and Hein's going to fly over me in the helicopter. So let's get to work. If this audio is terrible because of a wind, the sky behind me, the sky everywhere is just incredible. This could be exactly what I'm looking for.